So let's do a little comparison of the syntax. As we saw before, as Doc Writer was cranking out the AsciiDoc, we see that there's some decorations around certain things, but for the most part, it's just plain text. It looks like code, it acts like code, it can be checked in the source code. Revision control, just like code. This is something that developers can talk about. Let's look at Markdown. Here we go. I've noticed that you've got some HTML in your Markdown. Well, that is true. Markdown breaks down after a bit of time. But nonetheless, still in the spirit of AsciiDoc, let's take a look at what perhaps some of your systems are written in, that good old DocBook. Here's the first 2 lines of the AsciiDoc file. The first 2 lines are a bunch of cruft that has nothing to do with your docs. The third line just gets started, and the first line of the AsciiDoc just spills out over this entire page, but it keeps on going, like the Energizer Bunny. Here's the preface, buried somewhere in there. Empty tags of meaningless content. IDs that have to be hard-coded in. But my personal favorite, the itemized list, because surely the stars aren't going to cut it for us. We need lots of tags to represent something as simple as that. And it goes on and on. Ulinks, if it means anything to anyone. Simple paragraphs, what's it going to be? And how about that program listing? The coveted part of our technical writing, the most important thing that we keep close to our hearts, buried in C data. Remember that AsciiDoc? Writing in DocBook is just inhumane.